Hi, it's Marta in Spanish. So, do you know how to use qué and cuál? So difficult sometimes and so easy. So if you want to know how to use them, keep on watching. And before we start, make sure you subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you like it. So let's start. Qué and cuál. Cuál and qué. As a rule of thumb, you know that cuál is which, qué means what. But sometimes they are difficult to know which one to use. So cuál, we use it to pick from a group. Okay, so for example, ¿cuál es tu color favorito? Which is your favorite color? Okay, and for qué, we have, for example, ¿qué quieres hacer? What do you want to do? Notice that we are not choosing from a group. ¿Qué quieres hacer is what do you want to do? Okay, or another one is ¿qué es eso? What is that? Okay, but sometimes ¿qué can be used when picking from a group. And when is that? When ¿qué is followed by a noun, okay, ¿qué or cuál is followed by a noun, you have to use ¿qué. So for example, ¿qué color es tu favorito? Which is your favorite color? And if you want to use cuál, it would be ¿cuál es tu color favorito? Okay, so that's it. Super easy, right? Make sure you comment below. Try to practice, write down some examples. I will correct them for you. As always, if you have any doubt, I'm more than happy to help you. And subscribe and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. See you in my next one. Bye!